cat and water monitor.
Monitor leader.
Water monitor.
What is that mean?
I don't tell you the meaning. You can search in your dictionary. Water monitor. Maybe you can
Water
try
monitor.
to find water monitor.
Is it the same with monitor leader?
Different.
Different.
The,
Water.
the animal
water
who lives in the water.
Water
monitor.
Yeah, go on.
I think it's enough.
Now,
Yeah, I love cat, especially cat.
so right now do you have a cat in your home? No,
I don't have any pets because I have no time to feed my pet. I think so. It will be the sin if I don't feed them. So I choose to have no pet.
So, do you agree about the hadith said, the feeding cat? I mean cat, right? This is sunnah, right? So what do you think about that? Is that true or not?
Yeah, it's true because exactly if we have a cat when we are so tired in our work, when we go home, we can touch our cat and like reduce the stress or pain. You know what to monitor? What is it?
What is it? That's what I mean. Monitor leader. Yeah. Monitor leader.
Yeah. So I want to tell you the new word that many
yeah.
people don't know about water monitor.
Yeah, no,
the name is so cool, right?
Yeah.
Water monitor, but the
Water
meaning
monitor.
make us laugh.
I got that. But one of my people from United States, from Florida at the time, her name is Elizabeth. You know what? She told that, you know, that is monitor, not monitor leader, not water monitor. It's from the speaker from North Carolina. Right? Any question for Mr. Safatullah? Do you have question?
Because Rasulullah loves cat, so I love cat. So because that you like from water monitor. Exactly, I'm joking, man. I just want to tell you the meaning of water monitor.
Oh, yeah.
Because helps it to make like a new vocabulary for you. Because someday if your friend said you like water monitor, you don't feel proud.
Yeah, I got
because
that.
the name is called water monitor. Kan berwa is not.
This is, you know, new vocabulary, right?
Yeah, the new
it's
I just
awesome.
want to share.
Yeah, I got that.
I'm so sorry.
That's a joke, right?
I'm joking.
I
I'm
think
so
that
sorry.
is, you know, seriousness, you know.
Yeah, don't take it seriously.
Yeah. Alright, Mr. Safatullah,
Okay.
thank you for coming, for
Thank
sharing
you
your
very
idea
much.
about, you know, the pets, you know, today. Maybe next time I hope you can join us again.
Inshallah.
Next time, inshallah. Right, pick someone else, Mr. Safatullah.